Here's an extra scoop from iCarly, only on Turbo Nick.
Kids always ask me if we go to school, and I'm like,
Of course we go to school.
all week long like everyone else.
so when we're not working on set, we're in school. I just started the 10th grade,
I am in my sophomore year.
I am in the 11th grade. Oh my goodness.
and these are my subjects. I do history,
Pre-calculus,
Biology,
algebra 2,
U.S. history,
world history,
and French.
French too.
Jamie Penn Miranda.
I'm Patty Foy. I'm Miranda's teacher. I've been teaching her for 5 years now. She has never made anything other than an A. She's a straight A student, always has been, and I expect her to always be one.
My favorite subject would have to be English. I like creative writing and just like writing fun stories and stuff like that.
Either world history or biology.
My favorite thing to do is write. If I have a notepad and a pen, I can entertain myself for hours on end.
My worst subject would have to be math.
Definitely algebra.
Probably math. For the pure reason that it's so time consuming. If it wasn't so time consuming, math would be my best friend. Well, maybe not my best friend, but an okay friend.
My greatest challenge in school is probably taking a new language.
My greatest challenge at school is finding the time to do it.
When you're in the middle of shooting and they know they're gonna have a break soon that you're not in the scene, it's like, okay, run after school.
My name is Scott Plimpton, and I am the studio teacher for Jeanette and Nathan. We have very short opportunities to do school, so she has to run in, start a problem, be able to focus, and never get distracted.
So now I'm gonna give you guys a little miniature tour. This is a drawing I did. We actually did this movie called iCarly Goes to Japan this season. It inspired me to do this.
I love this one. The little girl sending ribs meat, ribs meat, ribs meat. She obviously knows Sam.
Send me pictures and stuff like this. This is really cool and I like it. My main objective is to try to get this whole thing covered, like this whole wall.
This is our guinea pig. It's actually a rescue. It only has 3 legs. He's really sweet.
Well, thank you for visiting us in school, but I gotta study now. See you. Check back for more extra scoops right here on Turbo Nick.